This is our Boslla LED headlight. This is the box. The box is very beautiful. We have a patented design. It is a bullet design. As you see, the box comes with the 4 colors. White, that is used to drive in a clear weather condition. Warm yellow, it is used in a snow condition. It makes your drive more comfortable. And yellow one, that yellow one has penetrating abilities that help you drive in extreme weather conditions like fog or rain. And you have the warning LED light. So after do a little bit of comparison, we test Boslla before release it in extreme conditions. So let's check it out. Our Boslla have IP67 protection. We do extreme weather condition testing like water, mud, sand, and bumping. We do extreme temperature testing like ice at -94 degrees Fahrenheit and heat at 197 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that we have the top quality material in the market. We are Boslla. We want to ensure that we have the best quality LED headlights in the market. So what you find inside the box is a pair of LED headlights. It comes with 2 bulbs and 2 drivers. So our light, the bulbs and the driver are separately. It is because we want to ensure that if you have a bad bulb, you can replace it. If you have a bad driver, you can replace it. With other LED headlights, you need to buy the complete LED headlight again. As you see in the video, we use aviation aluminum. This is for best heat sink. We have a powerful fan. It removes very quickly to the heat. And one of the important things that we have is that the socket is not fixed. So after you install, you can adjust the light pattern, so you never blind other drivers. Let's compare a little bit with a G5 LED headlight. This is a G5, as you see. It just has 1 color. It has a noisy fan, and the bulb is completely fixed. So the driver is fixed, and the bulb is fixed too. So you cannot adjust your light pattern in your car. With Boslla, it's very easy to install. All the bulb is waterproof, the driver and the complete bulb. So you have white color, is more brightness than any other LED headlight. To change the color is very easy. This is the white color. With this white, you can use it to drive, as I say, in clear weather condition. So to change the color, just turn on and off. It changes immediately to warm white. This warm white is used for snow condition. This is yellow. It has penetrating abilities. This is to drive in extreme weather conditions like fog or rain. And it's very easy. If you have any emergency, just put that one. So this is our Boslla LED headlight. So we will do some real testing in the road. So let's check it out. The install process is very easy. Just take 10 minutes. Just remove your old headlight, put our Boslla LED headlight, connect the cable, and now you are ready to the road. We are doing some testing right now. This is the white color. This is the warm white. This is the yellow one. And this is an emergency LED headlight. So you can drive safe in the night and have fun at the same time. Join the new revolution, Boslla.